bassinet of Kelsey.
What?
Unboxing the bassinet of Kelsey. Bam, 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 bam. How much is that?
It was 140, but it's 200, but I got it on sale for 140.
Good deal. I feel like Kelsey would like that. Oh.
So,
Assemble that one again. Assemble.
alright.
Oh, umiyak si baby. Huwag kang umiyak, baby. First, assemble your bassinet. Oh, umiyak si baby. Umiyak si baby. Umiyak si baby. Umiyak si baby. What the heck you doing with that? What the heck? Tasting?
Testing.
Oh my god. Oh, she will like it. Testing.
You like it?
Oh, don't do that. She would like that.
Hands up. Brrr.
He's playing the baby. What the hell? The cat is over there too playing. However,
Oh no, this is not yours.
not this.
Yes, you got plenty of yours. This is Kelsey's. This is not yours.
Yeah.
Oh, she likes it.
Oh, she will sleep night. You'll be stretching all of your roots as you want. Oh, stretching out.
Oh, look at it stretching out.
Okay, out of the bassinet, kid.
Oh.
Out of the bassinet. Out of the bassinet. Get out of the bassinet. It's not yours yet. It's yours, but you can't get in it yet.
Okay, continue. Down mimi dula. Oh, continue assemble. Okay, baby, just wait to be done later on. Okay, the bassinet is ready. For Kelsey. Ding, ding, ding. Assemble the bassinet. For the baby.
I don't know how this is going to go. Ah.
Okay, just sleep good tonight for bassinet. Din, 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 din. It's nice bassinet, baby. You can sleep tonight. You can sleep good tonight. So it's hard to assemble. Good. Nice bassinet for baby. Dun, 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 dun.
Okay, so, but I don't think this one's clipped.
Make it
Nope.
so.
Okay. So that one's clicked. And that one's clicked.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how this is going to go. This needs to go.
Mag-iring kadula. She's playing the ball.
Okay, so this zips up.
Nice. You can sleep good tonight, baby. Look at that. Oh, it's a. Oh, I don't think so. That's a big.
And this is pretty big.
We might need to.
I just don't know
What?
what we should do first. I don't know. That's 5.
Wala video. Nag-focus akong bata din. Dalang baby ko. Focus din pag may
Well,
time.
that one really doesn't.
No? It's cannot fit.
Well, it's not going to fit down here. I'm just wondering if this is sturdy enough.
Don't. Oh my god, what are you doing? Don't put the cat over there. Oh, it could be dirty. It's not for the cat. That's for the baby. That's for the baby, not for cat. This thing to the bed. This thing to the bed.
Yeah, that's about as close as you're going to get it.
Okay, only that one. Okay, that's nice.
That's about as close as you're going to get it. Because it's not going to go under the bed. It's just going to, because the bed sits up too high. See?
Okay. Oh, what the-
Well,
no, it's too
no,
unbalanced.
because then it's just unbalanced. So the bed sits up too high.
Yeah, that's to be like. There's a number.
I think I need to do a little bit more.
Lift up.
I think we can put her in here and there.
Adto na po ta sala. Sala.
Okay.
Ooh.
I would say
Like that. Could be fine.
that's fine.
That's fine.
Did you want to go ahead and put her in there?
Yeah.
I don't know. Let
So
me,
that's good be.
let me see. I just,
Making sure that could be.
it just seems kind of off balance, but I guess it's not. There's no way to tilt it.
The balance is like that.
I mean, I guess that's level. Yeah. I guess it's level. It just seems kind of flimsy. Let me read up on it.
Just read the manual.
Oh, I did.
It's C like that. So the baby will sleep here.
Alright, I gotta turn on the light.
Okay, turn on the light. Turn on the lights.
Okay, so. Okay, the board's on there, that's fine.
This is about. So this one is open. There's a zipper to open.
That's fine. Okay, that's the magic slide.
So it's open.
Yeah. She really can't roll out.
So open and close. Oh, that's nice. So ma-open na siya, then ma-close. So what the use of this one?
Okay,
This one, what the use of this one?
alright.
What the use this one, belt?
That is a belt that goes around the mattress. So it doesn't move out, but I don't think we're really gonna need that. I'm gonna go ahead and put her in there and let's see, make sure it don't fall.
Okay. Okay, the baby's in the bassinet. See?
She does like it. Okay. I guess that's good.
Okay.
Don't mess with that.
We have to close that one or like that only? Because she pull out. No?
No, she's not gonna fall out. Why, you want it zipped up more?
Yeah.
All the way?
Mm-hmm.
And then you take these out. I mean, do you want these in here? Because it's kind of hard to take
Yeah,
these in and out.
Something like that. Okay, something.
You want like that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
To be safe because you know the baby is very moving a lot. She's moving a lot.
Okay.
Okay, good to go. Good to go. Sleeping good. Sleeping beauty.
I wonder if we can get these strapped in.
She likes it.
Rice is ready.